Verbal part, medium to difficulty level questions are there. RCs are readable. One RC is very easy. Okay, one RC is easy. You would be able to complete very quickly. One more RC is also into the easy to medium difficulty. So 2 RCs you can easily do it. Okay, 2 RCs mean you are obviously into the range of 8 to 9 questions. You have already done that. So 8 3s are 24. So you have already done that. Okay, VA made 2 questions are easy. So in a way, what I'm trying to say is focus on the easy questions. With easy questions, even you would be reaching around 27 to 30 marks in the verbal, and that's what your focus should be in. Don't focus on the areas where you find difficulty or something. One more thing, CR क्वेश्चन जहाँ भी देखो थोड़ा सा बी अटेंटिव. CR क्वेश्चंस में जो आंसर्स होते हैं इट में लुक वेरी मच इजी टू यू, लेकिन आई ऑलवेज फाइंड CRs आर वन वेरी ट्रिकी पार्ट. इवन GMAT लेवल स्टूडेंट्स भी इसमें people feel lot of difficulty. So same thing I'm saying to you, CR देखो, थोड़ा सा be attentive, have question, थोड़ा सा spend time and try to avoid CR questions if possible. अगर वो ये RC के बीच में ही है तो obviously you shouldn't be avoiding it, but then also I would like to say that RCs के 500 to 600 words के passages हैं, 4 to 5 paragraphs हैं and beautifully built, highly readable, easy to understand, questions difficult हैं. So once I'm repeating RC's passages, because I understand I have been teaching all the students to be they always focused upon, my teaching was always focused upon difficult RCs to understanding and all, but then also this is not what's happening in the CAT. Easily readable, easily understandable, but many of the questions are CR based. तो CR जहाँ भी देखो थोड़ा सा be attentive. CR में easy दिखता है नहीं. Okay, what else to add? RCs are easy compared to the verbal ability part. Anything more to add? That's it. Focus on the easy part. 27 to 30 marks आएंगे easy में. ठीक है. One RC very easy, second RC medium to easy level. थोड़ा सा would be verbal ability. 2 questions are very easy. Okay. So let me now move to the passages easier. Anything to add? CR से बचो. That's what my understanding is. Yes. So there are some students of mine. Okay. Now what else to add? In the verbal ability, I want to add something which I think will work for the slot 2 and slot 3 people. Try to guess your answer before moving into the options. I'm saying for all the questions in the verbal part. Verbal में क्या point होता है? There is nothing called medium difficulty level. Okay, या तो आपको आता है या नहीं आता है. I mean to say it's just like a binary thing, 0 or 1. तो same kind of a thing is happening with the verbal thing. Don't move into the options without guessing the answer. Once more, repeating the point. Verbal and DILR are the king makers for this CAT 2025. So verbal and DILR have to be taken with lot of caution, lot of attention. Okay. Okay, and once I have already said, look at the guess your answer before moving to the option. अगर option में straight away आप move करोगे तो your accuracy level will be very low. Okay. Now coming to the DLR part, as I told, it's a medium difficulty compared to the CAT 2025. थोड़ा सा मुझे ये difficult 1 or 2 notches about difficulty level दिखा है. One set is very easy. Okay, it will not take much of your time. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes you would be able to complete the one set, and accuracy level would be high, easier है. तो one set तो आपके गेम में है, तो basically means 4-3, मतलब आपके 4 तो क्वेश्चन सही होने ही हैं. One more set is into the medium difficulty level, so easy to medium difficulty level. 2 sets are doable. I mean to say you would be able to complete 2 sets even if you are keeping your senses calm. Okay, keep your sense calm, spend your जैसे ही DILR ओपन होता है, to spend some moments, at least 1 or 2 minutes in understanding the paper, choose your sets very wisely. Easier को ही चुनना है, difficult level नहीं लेना है. One set is very easy once I'm repeating, 5 to 10 minutes you will not take more than that. Accuracy level would be very high. The second set is into easy medium level, and it will also, those set is very doable, you would be able to complete it very quickly. क्या 2 सेट से मेरे 99 परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा? आ सकता है. If 2 सेट्स में your accuracy is high, हाँ, अगर accuracy 100% है, if you feel like that, then I think you would be into the top ranges, so maybe into the top 97 or 98 percentile you can reach. And third, if you are able to do, it will be a fight. But then also, अगर आपका accuracy third अगर आप कर पाते हो तो it would be good. Obviously, then you're a topper. But then also, if you feel there is some mistakes you are doing, then go for the third thing. Okay. But I think 2 sets you will be able to complete in 20 to 30 minutes. You would be able to complete if you are well equipped to handle DLR. If you have practiced enough, once more repeating. जैसे DLR start होता है, start मत कर देना. Spend 2 to 3 minutes on understanding the paper, understanding थोड़ा सा, get friendly with the sets. Choose your set wisely. One set is very easy. Obviously, set 2, set 3 में क्या होने वाला I don't know. But if the same trend continues, 2 sets are very doable, which will take your marks beyond 95 percentile. That's what I feel. Obviously, cutoff से तो ऊपर हो ही जाओगे. What else? DLR compared to the CAT 2025 is difficult, but overall medium difficulty level. If you are the first timer for the आपने CAT दिया तो you will find it easy. Now medium difficulty level. Now coming to the Quant. Compared to the CAT 2023, very easy. Compared to the CAT 2024, 1 or 2 notches difficult. I meant to say, overall, agar आप new person, is the first time you're giving CAT, it's a medium difficulty level, easy to medium difficulty level Quant paper. But carrying it, let's say if you are, if your marks, if you are into, if you're given CAT 2023, easy. If you're giving CAT 2024, then it's difficult than CAT 2024. CAT 2024 mein there were around 7 to 8 easy questions. Right now the easy questions are less. Okay, easy questions are around 5 to 6. Okay, medium difficulty level in CAT 2024 was close to around 8. And right now the medium difficulty level questions are in the range of around 10. Actually, yes. So what I feel in CAT, right, this CAT is 5 to 6 questions are easy. Compared to CAT 2024, there were around 7 to 8 questions were easy. CAT 2024, around 7 to 8 questions were in the medium difficulty level, but in this, I feel that 10 to 11 questions are in the medium difficulty level. So even if you're doing the easy and the medium difficulty level in this CAT, you would be able to do around 14 to 15 questions. So my understanding is the marks are going to rise. I think if you say 99 percentile, it would be reaching around 36, 35. 35 to 36, 99 percentile you would be able to reach. But इस समय registration is less. I think CAT 2025 registration is 10% lesser than the CAT 2024. So it would hover around the cutoff, and even the 99 percentile you would be able to reach at 34. 33, 34 you would be able to reach 99 percentile above. तो थोड़ा सा 10% लोग कम है compared to the CAT 2024. So it works good. थोड़ा सा cutoff नीचे चला जाएगा.